ingredients that I found into clear slime. We haven't done this in a while. I really want to do it, so let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Alright guys, so here we have our nice clear slime. Look at that. That is some nice slime. Anyway, so first what we're going to do is this shampoo. Actually, I think it's body wash that I found at Walmart, and it's cotton candy. And you guys know how much I love cotton candy, so I really wanted to see what would happen. I think it does have some sparkles in it, but it is kind of foggy, but whatever. Let's see. Okay, we'll put that much. Just white. It smells really, really good. You guys think it's gonna overactivate it or like melt it? I wonder. Okay, well, this smells fantastic. What the heck? All right, it seems like it's melting it, but at the same time, I don't think so. Oh, no, it's not. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, it seemed like it got kind of watery at first, but then it started to activate again. And now it is very, very, very foggy and very bubbly. Just very nice. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the final product. It got very, very bubbly, very fluffy. I wonder how it will turn out when it like clears up. Like, will it be a scented clear slime? Will it be foggy? I don't know. Or maybe it'll be like extra clear? I don't know. But I am excited. This is very nice and crackalacky. So if you guys want a really nice crackalacky slime, get some soap and put it in some clear slime, and it makes some very nice crackalacky slime. This is amazing. Okay, well, I like this one a lot. It smells so freaking good, and the texture is amazing. And yeah. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. Alrighty, guys, next thing I do is marshmallows. So I saw these at the store. They're like colorful mini marshmallows, and they look so cute. So I really wanted to put it in slime. I feel like I've put mini marshmallows in slime before, but I don't know. But I'm gonna do it again. I don't think I've done the colorful ones, but yeah, so I'm gonna do it again. All right, so we have that. We have yellow and pink and orange and green. That's the colors. These are very soft. All right, guys, here it is. You guys think it's gonna melt it? I wonder. It doesn't seem like it's melting it so far, so if this works, I'm gonna be so happy. All right, let's do this. Okay, it's going good so far. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is just gonna completely melt. Okay, yeah, it is. All right. Okay, well, it was nice while it lasted. Okay, so what happened was, you know how there's like flour, or like, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's powdered sugar actually. But you know how there's like powder on the marshmallows? I think that's why it wasn't melting, but now it is melting, and here's the end result. It's really cute. Like, oh my gosh, we need to get some marshmallow charms like this because it is adorable, but yeah, it's not working out. Okay, I'm just gonna keep on kneading and see what happens to this. Alright, guys, so it's not really absorbing the marshmallows at all. It's kind of just like melting and sticking everywhere. It's just sticking on my hands. So this was a terrible idea. It looked really cool though. Like, it looks amazing and like really cute, but like it completely melts. So don't do this, guys. Alrighty, guys, next thing we do is this little thing I found. At first I thought it was conditioner, but it's actually it's body wash, I think. But it looks really cool. It's called Ribbons or something, and it's like 2 different colors, and it looks really cool. So I really wanted to try it. So yeah, alright, so let's just go ahead and do it. Oh, whoa, that's so cool. Whoa, that is weird. Okay, so it really feels like conditioner, but I'm gonna guess it's like soapy, so yeah. All right, let's go ahead and mix it in. Okay, it's starting to kind of melt. I feel like this one is just gonna completely melt and like not even activate. We'll see. Okay, yeah, this is completely melting. Oh my gosh, okay, I need some activator. Alright, well, here's what happened after I mixed it all. I'm gonna go ahead and get some activators to see if I can activate it again. I think I can because it's just like soap, but like it smells really good, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get some activator. Alright, guys, I am activating it now, and it is activating very, very well, like a lot easier than that. I thought I was gonna have to add like a lot of activator, but it actually activated very, very quick, and the texture is pretty nice still. It's like thick and silky almost. Alright, guys, here it is. It is really, really, really nice and crackly. It was just like the other one. It smells really freaking good too. And it is kind of like fluffy and thick. But this one definitely is not going to be clear anymore. But I cannot wait for it to clear up anyways, because they do get like thicker. And it seems like this one will become like a really cool texture, so I am very excited. But anyways, here it is. It kind of became fluffy and I really like it. Like, I really like this. Alright guys, let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, next one I do is Jello. So I really wanted to try Jello because Jello has like a gelatin consistency and I wanted to see if it would be like kind of like cloud cream or something. And I also got the sugar-free kind because I thought it would like help, because obviously it's probably gonna melt. So I decided, why not get sugar-free? Maybe that might help because in the soda it does. So yeah, I got cherry, or no, actually it's raspberry. Okay, I'm just gonna add that much and see what happens. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Okay. So far it looks like it is already completely melting, but it does have a really pretty color. Oh gosh, this is a bad idea. Oh my gosh. All right, well, it turned into a very pretty color, but it is completely melting. I can feel the gelatin in there. It's starting to form. It looks cool, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like activate this again. I hope I am. Whoa, this became a really weird texture, guys. It's like jelly. It's so weird. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get some activator. I hope it can activate again. Yes, it's activating. Okay, it's activating. All right. It seems like it's activating, but it's also kind of doing that thing where it gets like really hard and like watery, I feel like. So yeah. Okay guys, it seems like it's finally activating and it's actually activating pretty good. Like, it's not like getting super hard. I thought it was gonna be like weirdly hard and watery, but it's actually pretty good still. It's like getting fluffy and weird. So I'm just gonna keep on kneading it and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, here is the slime. I kind of cleaned up the table. There's still Jello all over it, but it was very hard. Anyways, I finally got it. It actually turned into slime. It is very, very thin though, and like you can feel that it's like a thin slime. It almost feels like jiggly slime, you know? But like, it's not jiggly, which is very weird. But anyways, you can't really, there's not really like a different texture in general, but I can see like where the Jello has formed, and I feel like maybe if we leave it a little longer, it might like become a bit cooler. But I don't know if you guys see those little red spots. Those are like little Jello molecules that kind of like instant snow, but they're Jello instead. So yeah, but I don't know, maybe I should just put this in the fridge and maybe it'll turn into Jello or something, but I don't know. It is very, very crackly though, and honestly, it's pretty nice. I don't know if it's gonna like rot though, but I'm definitely gonna keep it to see if it will rot because it is sugar-free, and also I don't think sugar really rots that much, so yeah. But I am actually very excited to see how this will turn out because it's also clear too, so yeah, I have a lot to say about this one. You guys comment down below what you think will happen with this one. Alright guys, next, this last one is gonna be cornstarch. So this is actually a long story. Last time Paul actually changed my clear glue with cornstarch, and when I was trying to make my slime, I mixed like clear glue and then like cornstarch or something, and it actually like made slime. I was very confused. It like kind of activated, so I really wanted to try this time. But first, I'm gonna be putting some red food coloring so that we can kind of see, you know, because it's kind of clear. Everything is clear, so yeah. I'm just gonna add a little bit of red food coloring and we can start this. All right guys, we have our corn syrup right here and let's pour it in. Oh, whoa. Okay, so we're gonna put that much. Do you guys see that? Okay, let's do this. Okay. You guys think it's gonna melt or is it just gonna like do weird stuff? So far it doesn't feel like it's activating, but it also doesn't feel like it's melting. But at the same time, it kind of does. I don't know. It kind of just feels like it's slipping around and that's it. This is weird. It seems like it's kind of getting watery. Well, guys, here's how that turned out. It didn't completely melt it. It actually melted it like not a lot. So that was pretty unexpected. I'm gonna activate it really quick though. But I think we gotta do one last thing, guys. I think we're gonna do a bonus round. I'm gonna try and activate some just glue with corn syrup. We'll see how that goes. All right, here's how it turned out. It definitely has a different texture. I can feel it. It feels like if you put paper in slime, you know, like toilet paper. That's what it feels like. Very weird. It's also thick. I'm definitely keeping this one to see what happens with it. All right, guys, so we have some dry erase glue right here. I'm gonna put that much because I don't know how much corn syrup we're gonna need. So we're gonna only put that much. It's only a little bit. And then we're gonna get our corn syrup and we're gonna pour that just a little bit too and see what happens. Oh, no way. Okay, so it globs up. I don't know if you guys can see that. I should put some food coloring. All right, you guys see that? It's like globbing up in the middle, but like it kind of melts still. So maybe I'll just put more. Okay, so let's add more cornstarch, syrup. Whoopsies. Okay, I'm excited. I added a little bit more this time, like than before. Let's mix this. Okay, so it's still like globbing up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like then it kind of melts after. All right, we're gonna add more corn syrup. I'm gonna add a lot this time, guys. I want to see. Maybe it needs a lot. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, you see it globs up. Okay, this doesn't work, guys. This is a complete fail. It doesn't work. It does seem like it works for a little bit. Maybe if I put a little bit and then I just leave it there. But like this, I think I might have put too much. I don't know. It does seem kind of like it's globbing up right there, but that's it. Yeah, this doesn't work. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment below if you want another one. And also, which one is your favorite? I think this one would be my favorite. I actually really like it. This one was this thingy. It's very crunchy and I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see what happens to these slimes. And that is it. Thank you so much. Always next time slime. Bye!